Hey guys, Claire here, and today I'm going to share with you not one, but two delicious recipes. I am partnering with Farmer John. I love using Farmer John California natural fresh pork because it has such a great savory flavor. It's 100% natural, there's no artificial flavorings or anything like that, so I feel great serving this to my whole family. Today I am using their pork loin to make a couple of different Asian-inspired dishes. These are perfect for lunch, they're easy to make, so delicious, huge flavor, and honestly two of my favorite things. The first recipe is banh mi. So if you haven't had banh mi before, it is a Vietnamese sandwich. And it's usually a very simple sandwich. It's a French roll with some kind of grilled meat and then a lot of fresh herbs. And I love it so much because it really makes it about the meat. Whatever you put in there, that's the star. So today it's going to be our lemongrass pork loin. And I'm also gonna put it into a Thai style salad. So with that salad, it's gonna be very similar flavors, but with a little bit more of a Thai edge. So you're gonna see like fresh ginger, a lot of cilantro, a lot of heat. So I have my Farmer John boneless fresh pork loin. I've already cut it into sort of, I'd say like half-inch thick-ish medallion shapes. This is because it's gonna be a lot easier to grill. It gives me a lot of surface area and it's gonna grill up really quickly, which means it's gonna stay juicy. So going into the marinade, I have 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 garlic cloves roughly chopped, 1 lemongrass stalk. You actually want to chop up the lemongrass stalk ahead of time because it's pretty fibrous. 1 shallot that I've sort of roughly sliced, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then 1 teaspoon black pepper. So the marinade is incredibly easy to make because you just throw all of it in a blender and then it's ready to go. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm just going to toss everything in here. All right, in goes the fish sauce. So adding sugar and honey might seem kind of unexpected because we're making something savory. But with pork especially, I love adding a little bit of sweetness. I think it just goes so well with the flavor of the meat. And also it means that there's really great caramelization when it grills. All right, here we go. So next, I'm just gonna put everything together in a freezer bag. That's it, I'm just gonna let it hang out in the fridge for honestly overnight probably, but I'd say minimum 2 hours. Just give it a moment to like really get in there. So I'm gonna see this in a day and then we're gonna put it on the grill. I love grilling as a cooking method so much because it's fast. Once you have your meat marinated, you basically can get dinner or lunch on the table within like 30 minutes, no problem. So the pork loin is off the grill. It looks so good. It smells amazing. And I have all the things I need to put together delicious banh mi. I'm using baguette, which is not super traditional. Usually it's more of like a French loaf that has a little more of a pillowy texture, but I love the flavor of baguette. I like the chew on it. I have some shredded carrots, a little bit of jalapeno if you like heat, some sriracha, some hoisin sauce, fresh cilantro, cucumber. The combination of cucumber with the jalapeno is so delicious. And then my pork loin. So putting it together is really simple. First, I'm gonna take the pork loin off of the skewers and just cut them up a little bit just so that I don't have giant pieces of pork as I'm eating my sandwich. All right, it's sandwich time. So I'm gonna do a little bit of hoisin, do a little bit of sriracha, a couple slices of cucumber. I'm gonna be kind of a baby. I'm just gonna have like 2 pieces of jalapeno today. Let's see, a couple sprigs of fresh cilantro like that, and then loading up on all of that great pork. This looks so delicious. I cannot wait to have a bite. It's such a nice blend of spicy, fresh. The pork has such a beautiful flavor and I love it in this sandwich. Oh my gosh, I could eat this all day. I'm gonna take the same pork loin and turn it into a delicious, fresh, and very crunchy salad. This is inspired by a Thai sort of street food style salad that my husband and I love. It's really fresh. So the first thing I'm gonna do is actually put together the dressing. So what I have here is about a ½ cup of very thinly sliced red onion. So I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, a tablespoon sriracha, a tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. So I'm gonna let this sit here for about 10 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna get going on the rest of it. In goes the green onions, cilantro, and ginger, and I'm just gonna mix all of this up together. I'm gonna chop up some of the peanuts for garnish. So next I'm going to slice up the pork. Okay, I have everything ready to go. So next I'm gonna take a little bit of chili flake and add it to the dressing. I'm gonna pour about like half of this into the salad itself. And so now this is gonna go in the bottom of my bowl. And then I'm gonna take the pork, I'm gonna layer it on top. And then we're gonna do the remaining red onion just right there. And then some peanuts for crunch. This looks so fresh and so delicious. I cannot wait to give it a try. I love all of the fresh herbs, the crunch. I love the idea of shaking up sort of basic recipes, because essentially what we're making today is a sandwich and a salad. Everyone has had those before, but using these really beautiful fresh flavors, it's all of a sudden something new and exciting. So I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make these two recipes. Please like the video if you like it. For the full recipes and everything, check out my blog, thekitschykitchen.com. And also for more recipes and inspiration like this, check out farmerjohn.com. And I'll see you guys next time.